so the tools that you are going to need for this specific project will be your basic set of tools that you need to create jewelry. You will also need some beads, any of your choice will do, some bangle bracelets, headpins, and this multi-step wire looper pliers. Okay, and if you don't have a looper plier like I have right here, and you have a looper, which they sell these separately, just a little mandrel thing, that will suffice. But if you have a looper, then that will help you finish a project faster. These usually retail for around 20, well, it depends where you can find it. I found mine for $9.40 online. No brand whatsoever, but you can always find it online. Headpins are usually up to $2. The Bangled Bracelets were $1.47. They were on sale when I bought them at Michael's. And the beads are from Walmart for $2.47. Now, let's get to the project. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open all these things. And I'm just going to get them out of their little casing. And I am going to do the same with the beads. And you guys, these beads that I found at Walmart, they were so cheap. I could not believe it. For $2.47, let me show you the other colors that I found. I found this one, which is like a turquoise and yellow. And I also found this one that is a pink color. Isn't that gorgeous? So we're gonna do one bracelet, but I will be creating 3 bracelets in total for me because I want them in different colors. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our head pin and our bead. We're gonna put it through. We're gonna grab our wire looper, and I'm gonna use this smaller size right here. You see that loop? That's gonna be a smaller size. All you have to do is just crimp it right there, almost to the top, turn it, and you're gonna start creating a loop. But I'm gonna create a consecutive loop. I'm just gonna keep going and keep going. And if you make it tight enough, you won't even have an issue with the excess of the wire because it will be lined up with the loop and it will not get caught up in anything. So there's the bead. Now I am going to create as many beads as I want to put in my bracelet, which you can alternate between the beads and charms. You can put charms on your bracelet and they would look beautiful. But for me, all I want to do is just create little, I just want to put beads inside my bracelet. So here are a few that I've already created, and this is what the bracelet looks like. Let me move this aside. It has its own closure, which I really appreciate, and I'm just going to start putting my beads through it. On this side, so I still need this little bunch. I'm still going to need it for here. And the last one, the last bead I'm going to put right here, that will be my bead stopper because I'm going to create it to where it doesn't come out of the loop. Okay, so it seems that I don't need any other beads, so I have these little ones for leftovers, and you guys could probably think that you could do an earring or something with it, and that's just great. Now, I do need like a small bead stopper here, and I'm going to create my own, and this is how you would do that. Grab one of the head pins, grab one of the beads, just put it through, and you are going to put this at the end of the actual bracelet right here. And I'm going to try to zoom in so you guys can see this, but just hold the bead right here and just start going around the bracelet. That way you can create your own loop at the end. So I'm going to try to do this right here with you guys so you can see it. Hold on. Let me see if I can get this in the right position. There we go. Okay. So we put it here, and we're going to start with the loop all the way around by hand. There you go. Just keep going around. It's not gonna affect anything. Just keep going around. And if you can't do it with your hand, remember you have your pliers. Use your chain nose pliers and just take it all the way around. Create your closure right there. And you can stop it right there if you want to, or you can continue. Oops, I apologize. That's my grandson. And then you grab your wire cutters right here that I have them. Just cut this right here. And if you have a little bit left over, you can cut the whole thing. There you go. And I'm just going to clamp this together. And that is not going anywhere. So no beads are going in or out. And this is how you close it. See that? There you got it. And this one looks like a regular bead. So, oh, I'm excited to put this one on. So excited. Okay, here we go. Just putting it in there. And that's it. Oh my goodness. I'm going to zoom out so you guys can see how beautiful this bracelet turned. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and until next time, God bless.